What's up, YouTube? My name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV. Welcome to another episode of Kenny J TV. If this is your first time, feel free to browse around and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to Kenny J TV. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to become an insurance agent in 2025. You want to take your journey in the insurance industry serious. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to get started and become a successful insurance agent. I love the insurance industry, and being an insurance broker is one of the most rewarding and flexible careers. I can virtually be located anywhere and still get the job done. Insurance has afforded me a lifestyle that I don't think that any other career would have afforded me. The insurance industry is constantly growing and evolving and always looking for more agents. So if you're thinking, is this career going to grow in 5 to 10 years? The answer is yes. Everyone needs some type of insurance, and we're always looking for more agents to sell and educate the clients on the importance of protecting their assets. First, what is an insurance agent? An insurance agent is an advisor that helps individuals or families find protection over their life, their health, property, or liability. A few benefits of being an insurance agent are, of course, as I stated before, the flexibility. The unlimited earning potential is one of my favorite things in the insurance industry. And of course, depending on which way you go, you have the opportunity to build your own business. Some challenges in the industry are you have to have self-motivation and persistence. Being in the insurance industry is not an easy game. It's not something that you can get rich overnight with. It takes time, and you have to be disciplined and self-motivated in order to be successful in this industry. And you are constantly dealing with rejection. As I've stated in videos before, in the insurance industry, get used to hearing rejection. Even the best salespeople in the industry receive rejection from prospects, and also the competitive market. Right now in 2025, the market is very competitive. Some carriers are pulling out and not even accepting new agents or writing business. So you have to learn how to deal with the market as well as pivoting when need be. The first step that you want to complete when getting in the insurance industry is researching the industry. What type of insurance do you want to write? Life, health, home, auto, business. I want you to research each line of insurance to understand what that really looks like. You can't really get into the insurance industry and you don't understand, one, the concept of insurance or which direction that you want to go. Step 2, you want to meet your state licensing requirements. Each state has different licensing requirements, so make sure that you look on your state website, look at online courses. Of course, I'm always going to recommend Kaplan. Kaplan did wonders for me in my pre-licensure course. I learned everything that I needed to know for the exam, and it also taught me how to think in the exam. And if you're looking at how to pass the insurance state exam, guess what? We have a new video out of how to pass the insurance state exam in 2025. Step 3, you want to choose your path. Do you want to go captive or do you want to go independent? Now, if you don't know what that means, captive is more so you're working for a company. Let's think of a company like State Farm, for example. If someone is working for State Farm, they are a captive agent because they can only sell State Farm products. If you're on the independent side, you are able to shop the rate around and give clients or prospects the quotes from different carriers. So that is the main difference. I am an independent agent and I love the freedom that I have on this side. I don't have to decline or turn away a lot of people because 9 times out of 10, I have a carrier that will tailor the insurance needs for the prospect. And you also want to decide, do I want to start working under someone or do I want to go right into owning my agency? When I started, my insurance career, I started working as a captive agent under a very experienced agent that's had her agency for 20 years. I stayed there for 5 months, and then I decided to open an agency on the independent side. And one thing that I will say is, yes, I did enjoy my time when I was working as a captive agent. I also learned so much. It taught me about systems and processes. It taught me about following up and how to really close the deal with the prospect. So all of the information that I gained as a captive agent was super valuable when I decided to open my agency. Step 4, build a network and find a mentor. I would highly recommend attending insurance industry events, start networking, and find a mentor, someone that has been in the insurance industry and has proven success and has success of training other agents on becoming successful. Of course, shameless plug, I do have a mentorship program. It is Ramp Mentorship Program. I teach you how to go from 0 to 6 figures without paying for any leads or any paid advertisement. I have trained hundreds of agents across the country on how to build their agency. If you are interested, the information is in the comment box below. I can't wait to see you there. Step 5, start selling policies. Once you're licensed, once you have all the information, now you can start to sell policies. So you want to market yourself and focus on customer service. Yes, sales is important, but retention is just as important as well. It's no good if you have 2 policies or 2 new clients coming in a day, but 3 going out of the back door. So make sure that you do focus on customer service. And I have some more videos talking about why focusing on customer service is so important. A few tips for succeeding in the insurance industry. 1, you want to embrace the technology. Look at the different systems that the insurance industry offers. It would be to your advantage to do research ahead of time. What CRM will work best for me? What phone system? What e-sign system? There are so many different systems that I use on a day-to-day basis. What calendar system do I want to use? You want to do your research and see what best aligns with what you need for your agency. And you also want to decide, what social media platforms do I want to market my business and how consistent will I post? I highly recommend creating a content calendar. You don't want to record then post, record then post. You want to have a calendar so you can record ahead of time, something called batch recording, which is what I'm honestly doing right now, with sitting down and recording a lot of content or a batch of content in one sitting. So you're not having to worry about constantly recording. Or let's say you do it once a month where you batch record. So at the beginning of each month, you record for the entire month. When you record like that, when you really think about it in a year span, you're only having to do that 12 times a year. So you have to look at the big picture when recording content. Yes, it is draining, it is tiring to a lot of people, but it is going to drive sales and visibility for your business. You also want to decide if you're going to have a niche for your business. Am I just going to sell life insurance? Am I going to focus on high risk auto insurance clients? You have to decide which way that you want to go. So for me, I do focus on life insurance, but I sell all lines of insurance, and it depends on the area or the market that I'm in, how I decide to market my business. So if I'm going to, let's say, a car show, for example, I'm specializing in classic vehicles. If I'm going to a real estate event, I specialize in homeowners insurance. So for me personally, I believe that I have multiple niches depending on the environment that I'm in, and that has worked wonders for me when marketing to different areas or different markets that can benefit my business and bring clients. Invest in personal branding. So for me, I'm always going to have the personal branding going. You want to get clothing with your logo on it, because if you do not represent your brand, then who will? Invest in clothing, invest in social media content. Some people decide to just outsource their social media content. If you have the reserves, the finances to do that, I would highly recommend that, so you're not having to take time away from your business. But if not, there are so many resources online that can help you and guide you on starting your social media journey. You also want to build a professional website. So for me, I hired someone to build a professional website for me. That is not my area of expertise, but make sure to have a website, because having a website gives you a lot of credibility. It is a digital footprint. It says this is the home for my business. Yes, social media pages are very important, but also having a website does wonders for your business, especially when talking or speaking with prospects. And I'm going to say this again because it's very important. Focus on customer service. As soon as you can, you want to hire a customer service representative, because what's going to happen is you're going to find yourself doing a lot of customer service work, and it's taking you away from sales. You want to treat your clients honestly like family, someone you care about. You never want to give a policy to someone or write a policy that you wouldn't write for someone that is close to you or dear to you. So I treat every client with the utmost respect, and with that, I receive a lot of referrals. Always remember that your clients will be your biggest marketing team and your biggest referral source if you take care of them. And lastly, reinvest in the business. You don't want to make all of this money, pay yourself, travel, and do all the things without sacrificing and reinvesting in your business, whether that's reinvesting in content, systems to streamline the process, whatever that looks like, hiring more people. I promise you, you want to reinvest early on, because it'll only double and triple the activity and the revenue that you are bringing into your business. So, do you have what it takes to become an insurance agent in 2025? I will be completely honest, it depends on you. If you have the persistence, the discipline, and the consistency to succeed in this industry, no one is standing in the way but you. If you need any guidance, any assistance, I do have the mentorship program, again, where we guide agents from 0 to 6 figures, all organically. I have been to some super notable networking events, including the networking event with the vice president. I also attended a former NBA players networking event as well, and this all came from organically networking. I teach you how to get in those rooms and how to get in front of 50 to 100 people at no cost to you. And lastly, always remember, it starts with your mindset. If you're looking at getting into the insurance industry, make sure that you have a positive mindset about getting into the insurance industry. Speak life over the journey, over your business, and watch how everything falls into place. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV.